which particular line you should go relating to your code. Okay. It is very simple. Whenever if you want to work, suppose on any new thing, suppose on IPv6, that day I think you only asked, IPv6 you want to work, one tool I told you that day, and if anybody has joined today only, you can use Search Monkey tool. Okay, there is a tool named Search Monkey. I have installed it. Search Monkey software is there. It is very useful in learning NS2. How? Because it can search in between in the files, search the content of the file. Means whatever is written in that file names also it can search, right, like a regular search tool, but it can also search what is written in the file. So suppose you want to search anything. For example, you tell any name of the protocol or whatever. So I will tell you. Suppose you want to search wireless sensor network, codes for wireless sensor networks. Okay. So the protocol for that is 802 I think 15 it is. Okay. So since in wireless LAN 802 11 was written, so we can understand that for sensor network 802 5 must be written. I think it is 5 only, or maybe 6. I am confused between Bluetooth and sensor networks. So let us see where _5 is written. Okay. So we have got some files relating to it. Yeah, Bluetooth is 802.15. Okay, so this is for Bluetooth. 802.16 was for PM IPv6. So currently I have searched for it. Let us see it. Then again I will search your commands too. Now. Okay, so we have got many things here. 802.15_ this is CSMA. So these files, if you get any TCL file, remove it. TCL file is not of use. Okay, only CC file and H file is of use. Okay, so you can see where we are getting. The address for this file is, suppose P802_15_4 is 802.15.4 CSMA CA. So here, where it is in WPAN folder. Okay, check any other file randomly. It is again in WPAN folder. So anything related to Bluetooth is provided in what? WPAN folder, means wireless personal area network. Okay. So where it is, let us see. NS 2.34 WPAN. Okay, open this folder. WPAN. Okay, so there are many files related to this particular code. Okay, this particular area. So you can open any file. Suppose CSMA CA. It is a medium access control protocol, all of you know. Then you can open it and you will find the MAC protocol written for it. Okay. The MAC protocol can written for it, you will find. Don't worry about those so many lines. These lines are, all the lines are not necessary. You just have to keep it as it is. Few lines you have to change. Then you will search. You will have to search. Okay. And that searching again I told you, for searching first time it will take around 3 to 4 months to implement first protocol of your area. Okay, but don't be afraid of it. It is easy, very very easy if you learn it. Okay, so I will be closing it. Now many things are there for physical layer. phy.cc name is written like this. Timer for some some timers are there. Those are written in this file. So many things are written. If somebody knows the theory of it very well, he can understand it. Okay, I think some PDF is also given. Okay, so now PMIPv6, let us try to search one more thing, PMIPv6. So if we directly write PMIPv6, we may be getting or maybe not. Okay, if we don't get, we will try to search IPv6 only. But always remember that source codes are written for basic theories only. Suppose you have took one base paper, that is recent one, suppose 2016, 17, 18 like this. You will not be able to get the source code for that particular paper. Okay, suppose you are working in IPv6 area, basic source code of IPv6 you can get, but not any source means updated protocol. Okay, so you can get the updated protocol only if somebody make it open source. PMIPv6 is not there. So we will search only for IPv6, means we will have to try some keywords first. Then only we can understand from where to start. Okay. As I told you, for basic theories, the source codes are there. After some time, when this code becomes old and it is widely used, the theory of it, then the source code may be made available by some researcher. Okay. So IPv6 is, I have searched IPv6, it is written in many things, agent.h, ip.h. Okay. So here you can find using this particular path, in common folder ip.h file is there, and in common folder agent.h file is there. There IPv6 is written as comment is written, but you can find something related to IPv6. Then how to change it into the MIPv6 or PMIPv6, that you will have to see. Okay, you will have to see means you will have to change on your own, or might be you may be getting the code from somebody else. Okay, that is possible. IPv6 folder is not there. It is, I am seeing some files. In some files IPv6 are written. You can see in these folders. In agent.h file, ip.h file. I will open it for you. In common folder, agent.h file. Okay, so search here IPv6 again, IPv6. For IPv6 flow ID field, for IPv6 priority field. Only at two places it is used here. Only two integers are defined. It might be of some use in IPv6. Okay, PMIPv6 in VANET. Okay, then first you will have to learn vehicular network theory and IPv6 theory as well. Then what you can do, in vehicular network has some special characteristics. A particular patch is defined for that. IPv6 is related to data transmission. Okay, mobility management sort of things. So you can do what? In vehicular networks you can attach agents which uses IPv6. Okay, then you can change that IPv6 protocol, and then it will be implemented in VANET. It is same you can implement it in Manet. Similarly, you can implement it in Vanet. There is a little change in that. You will have to insert a patch for Vanet also for that. Okay. Okay, so some IPv6 things are also written here. The FID and priority, only two things I am seeing here in every place. And you will have to search a little bit more on the internet as well as in the source codes as well. Then you will come to know. Okay.